Hi and welcome again to one of my videos. In this short video I will show you how to create a room, a scene and configure it a little bit. Enjoy! So the first thing what you want to do is click on settings in the left bar, then you click on the right top, you select add room, then you select a name for the room which might be represented for your room. Then you select the category. In my case I will select hall because I think this is the way it fits my situation the best. After when you have selected hall, you select section. In my case I have only a default section because I don't have any other options to do. And you can also set the room to be hidden. This is handy while you don't want to let it show up in your list. Then the last thing you do is you select an icon. You can also upload your own icons if you are willing to do that. There are packs you can upload and they will be there. Click save and then you're done. So what's left to do now is you will assign the device which is better be mounted to your Fibaro. So you need to pair it first and assign it to the hallway. And you give it the name. In my case it's device number 131 and 132. 131 is the controller and 133 is the actual lamp, and you assign it to the right room. In this case it's the hallway. So here you have an overview. Then what you do is you will start number 11, which is scenes, and you select add scene. There are two types of scene, a block scene and there is also a Lua scene, which is a command line one. I use the block scene because I think that's easier. Then you give the scene a name, make it short because the Fibaro app really sucks. It's very hard to identify if you make too long names which scenes you're selecting. So call it hallway upstairs. Should it start automatically? Yes. Run the scene automatically as well. Category, that's the category it falls into. You can select it also in your app. In my case, I connected it to the lights, so I will select the lights category in this drop box. Then you select save and then you can start your Lua scene, the block scene. So basically you got all the devices on the left side. You got weather, for instance, temperature, humidity, day of time and date. What I normally do is I start with time, and then in case this is, because this is a light, I'll start with sunrise and sunset. So what you do is you click on sunset, sunrise and sunset, and you to the left side of the drop block here, icon here, and then you choose what it should do. Because mine is should go on after sunset because it's a light, I want to have the device I just created. I drop it to there, and then you choose the room it's been connected to. That's the hallway there, and then you choose the device which was in the hallway, and that's the gang boven, which means that's my light. Then you choose what it should do. So if the light is not on, it should be turned on. So what you do is you check for the state, and when the state equals turned off, then you select single again and you drop that to the right side. So you select single, drop it, select the room, hallway, yes, and then choose the device, gang boven, what should it be doing? It should be turned on when the light is turned off at sunset, and then you click save. So the next thing you want to do is also, of course, create a condition that the lights goes off again. So what you do is you click on block scene again, you create a name which you can identify, you select lights again, deselect other because you don't need other, you just need lights. You select an icon which you want to use, press save, then you do the same again, you select the time, and you want to, now in this case, you want to shut it down in exact time. This for me, for instance, I'll go off to bed around 10 because I have small kids. So you select exact time, drop it to the left, and then you enter the time you want to shut it down. So my time at 2200. What should the device do? You select device, single, target to the left, choose the room, the hallway. Then you choose the room. Then you choose the state, what it should do. Well, in this case, the light should be already turned on because it's 10 o'clock. So if the light is going to turn on, and in case this light is a dimmer, so what I want to do is I want to select my device and I want to dim the lights to like 6%. So what you can do here, if you have the Dimmer2, which I have in my case, you can set the brightness, and you can just click set brightness, and then you can select a number you want to clock. In this case, I will just select like 1% or something like that. Okay, I'm not sure if you can do it 2% then. And then you press save. So that means that automatically, when everything is done, then the lights will automatically, after 10 o'clock, will go to 2%. So the last thing you want to do is also make a scene to turn off the lights again. So you create a scene. My lights go off at midnight, so I call it hallway 000 to make it easy identifier in the app. Select lights again, then press save. Then we select the exact time. So we select time, exact time, drop it, ending the time 0000, meaning midnight. What should I do at midnight? At midnight, we should go to the device, we drag it to the left, we choose the room, hallway, choose the device, gang boven, choose the state is on, because 2% is always on, of course. Then what should I do? Then exactly go to hallway, choose the device, and then choose turn off. Press save. That's it. Thanks for watching.